Now we move to one of the most critical stages of system implementation: system design and configuration. If requirements define what the system should do, design and configuration define how it will actually work. This is where business expectations are translated into technical reality. Let's begin with system design. System design creates the blueprint of the solution. It includes overall architecture, module structure, integration with other systems, security framework, reporting structure, data model design. At this stage, we answer important questions. Will the system be cloud-based or on-premise? How will it integrate with finance, HR, or external systems? What approval workflows will be automated? What access rights will different roles have? A strong design ensures stability, scalability, and compliance. Weak design creates performance issues, security risks, and costly rework. Next comes configuration. Configuration means setting up the system using built-in features without heavy coding. This includes defining organizational structure, configuring chart of accounts, setting tax rules, designing approval hierarchies, defining user roles and permissions. Setting up workflow automation. The key principle here is configure first. Customize only when necessary. Excessive customization increases cost, complexity, and future upgrade challenges. Now let's talk about data model and data mapping. Every system depends on clean, structured data. We must define entities such as customers, vendors, products, employees. Attributes: ID, name, status, category, limits. Relationships: how data links between modules. Proper data design ensures accurate reporting and smooth integration. Poor data design results in duplication, inconsistency, and audit issues. Next is security and access control design. Security must be built during design, not after go-live. We define role-based access, segregation of duties, password policies, encryption requirements, audit logs, and monitoring. Security controls are especially important in finance, payroll, and compliance-heavy environments. Now let's move to reporting and dashboard configuration. Management requires visibility. Reports must align with KPIs, regulatory requirements, and operational monitoring. During design, we define standard reports, custom dashboards, approval tracking reports, exception and audit logs. Reports should support decision-making, not just data extraction. Another important aspect is integration design. Few systems operate independently. We must define data flow between systems, frequency of synchronization, interface protocols, error handling procedures. Integration failures can disrupt entire operations. Next, we discuss testing of configuration. After configuration, structured testing begins. Unit testing, individual modules, integration testing, cross-module flows, user acceptance testing, real users validating real scenarios. Configuration is only complete when tested and approved. The key lesson of this chapter is, design is the foundation, configuration is the execution. If design is rushed, configuration becomes chaotic. If configuration is uncontrolled, governance weakens. System design must balance business needs, technical feasibility, security, scalability, compliance, future growth. When design and configuration are structured and controlled, the system becomes stable and sustainable. When ignored or rushed, problems appear during go-live and become expensive to fix. That is why this phase requires collaboration between business, IT, and governance leadership.